Alright, I'm just gonna search for something. What? No. I'm just gonna make a sound. This, no. No. Oh, this one. What? No. Okay. Come to make sound. I'm gonna use a song for my short. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the using this sound button? Maybe something is wrong. Why does this one don't have one? What happened? No, what? Google Assistant? That's not what I meant. So I want this one. Wait, this one? There isn't any sound. This one too. This one too. Where are there? No. Is it? No. There isn't. No, there isn't. What is this YouTube or is this Bluetooth?